Hello traders, before I get into the review, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. Alright, so on my screen right now, I'm looking at the MQL5 Marketplace page for the Gold Trend EA. This is developed by Simon Reja and it is currently listed as an MT5 expert advisor. The EA is priced at $50 for a full purchase, and there are also rental options available depending on how long you want to test it. It was last updated in February 2026, version 1.16, and it shows a total of 5 activations, which is pretty standard for marketplace EAs. Now, as I scroll through the description, one of the first things that stands out is that this EA is designed specifically for trend phases. But before we continue with that, as you can see here, the rental options, 1 month is going for $30, 3 months is going for $35, 6 months is going for $40, and 1 year is going for $45. So back to what we are talking about with respect to the description, the idea here is not random trading, but rather than trying to participate in longer directional market moves. Okay, what is interesting is the way it manages positions. It opens 4 positions which can be manually adjusted in the settings. Each of these trades has different take profit levels and a fixed stop loss. So instead of treating every trade the same, it splits exposure across multiple exit points. And once the first take profit level is reached, that first position is closed, and then the stop loss for the remaining positions is moved to break even. That's a key risk control mechanic because it reduces downside exposure as the trade develops. The last position is designed to stay open longer and is only closed when a counter signal appears, which suggests it is trying to capture extended trend continuation rather than quick exits. I also notice clearly stated constraints here. There is no martingale system, no grid system, and every trade is protected with a stop loss. That already tells me the risk structure is more controlled compared to aggressive recovery style EAs. It also mentions that trades can be initiated manually, which gives more flexibility if a trader wants to combine the EA with personal trade direction or confirmation. Another important detail is that it can also be used on assets like Bitcoin or BTC USD as long as the settings are properly adjusted. So it's not strictly limited to gold, even though that is the primary focus. Now, before moving into testing, there is also a set file reference for an H2 time frame setup. You know, okay, so now we're just going to move into the strategy tester. I'm going to run a historical test so we can observe how the EA behaves over past market conditions. Okay, so this is the gold trend EA. Yeah, so we already ran the test on the XAU USD symbol on the H2 time frame. The period for the test is from the 1st of January 2026, the beginning of this year till date, so we can get a reasonable data for the back testing. And as for the delays, we use the last ping to the server and the every tick modeling. Okay. Now the results of the test is already out, and these are the chart history. This is the trade history here, right? So we can see that this EA is not the type to stack a lot of trades, but we can, based on what we saw in the description, right? Opening 4 positions and then different take profit levels and one stop loss. So we can see that being implemented right in the trade history. All right. So As I go through the chart, what I'm focusing on here is how the EA structures entries in relation to trend movement, how it distributes those four positions, and how it reacts when price begins to retrace or continue. So, from the historical activity, what stands out is that the trade management is heavily structured around partial exits and break even adjustment after the first take profit is reached. All right, so that naturally reduces exposure as the trade progresses. Now, like we already learned, the final position staying open until a counter signal suggests that the system is built to stay in trends as long as possible rather than exiting early on minor pullbacks. Okay. Based on my observation here, you will notice that most of the trades, if not all of them, in fact, I think all the trades, okay, it's going to be most of them now because I can see this one did not close in the same candle, right? So most of the trades are closed within the same uh 4 hour H2 candle. This is the 2 hour time frame. So it means that each candle here represents 2 hours. So you will notice that most of the entries and exits happen within the 2 hours. So a trade was executed here and closed within that same candle. Same thing here again, same thing here again. Entered and closed within the H2 candle. But in this case, we can see that this particular trade was closed here. So that was about 3 candles later. Okay, but most of the entries, most of the positions are entered and closed within the same H2 candle. So that is also another observation of mine. All right. So now, in terms of results, let's just head over to the results themselves. This is purely historical backtest performance, and it's important to remember that outcomes can vary significantly depending on settings, lot size, broker execution spreads, and slippage conditions. All right, so I wouldn't treat this as guaranteed performance going forward. Okay, it's more of a way to understand how the EA behaves under historical conditions. We can see that from an initial deposit of 100,000, the total net profit was just 294.82 dollars, and we had total trades 1,012. The short trades were 500 with a 55% win rate. Okay, 55.2 to be precise, 55.2% win rate. The long trades were 512 with 60.55% win rate. Now, for the largest profit, it's just $100.11, and the largest loss is just $16.76. The average profit is $2.7, and the average loss is $3.03. Okay, so this tells me that the risk to reward ratio is not good enough. All right, the risk to reward ratio is not good enough, and the win rate is not good enough either. So I'm not surprised that we had just a little total net profit. Okay, because the risk to reward ratio combined with the not good enough win rate, resulted in just a little profit. All right. So personally, I'll still recommend running longer term testing yourself as well across different market periods so you can get a more complete view of how it performs in both trending and choppy environments before considering any live deployment. Overall, the gold trend EA presents a structured, trend focused approach with defined risk controls and staged position management. And the real value here comes down to how well it adapts to different market conditions during your own testing. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.